Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Telegram app. And here it opens up in the chats where we have our conversations. From here, we have to swipe to the right, tap on settings, tap on privacy and security. And then from the third option from the top is passcode lock. If you tap on this, then we can just enable passcode lock, which means that to enter the app, we have to type in a password. Here we can create a password for the app, and then just proceed. Enter it once, then it's going to ask for it again, and then just tap on the next button and it's going to save it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.